Hello, my name is Ashley. Right now I want to show you a new design of the Armenian Needlelace, and what we're going to do is a rainbow design, which I would love to show you when I call the rainbow. This is the design over here. This we'll call rainbow. This is this design. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay. It's going to take a little time, but we're going to do it. It's beautiful. You look at it. And then before that too, before I start or working, I want to say, in case if you want to know where I get, what kind of needle or thread I use it, just click the link in the description and you will get it. And now we have to start. I want to show you this design over here. It calls the sun. When you go and check the first needle point from 1 to 8, you see it, it's starting beginning. That's where I'm gonna start to do it for you, the rainbow design on top of it. You can do so many things, but this is the way I'm gonna show you. So this calls sun. If you click on my first videos, you'll find it how I've done it. Okay, now I'm gonna start to do design. So you see the petals here, and besides the petals, I wanna show you, you can do the beginning, and here what you see, the rainbow, for example, you see it doesn't have the sun petals. I've done it just regular seeds. And then I started to do it. But you can do even on this, because it's going to be the same petal we're going to need to put the rainbow designs. All right, now I'm going to start to do this. You, just like the other ones that I always show you, you just go to every seed. You see here each petals now I'm going through. I put the thread always on top, do not forget. And the bottom, the under part, this part goes under like this. So now we're doing big wave. Let's call this wave for you to understand. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. This is almost the last. That's it. All right. Now the sun is covered with the part of the rainbow lines that I'm calling wave. So, okay. Here, and now when we come here, we go here, not to the hole, but here. Wherever we started when we came up from the bottom. All right, now, over here what we have to do is, let me show you. This is the part over here that we have to make blind, as always I did. You put the thread and goes the back part on top, and we make it blind to join them together. Then we make a little seeds, and now this time we'll make it 5 petals for you. So this is 1, and this is 2, let's push this away so we can see better. And this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Now we have 5 petals. So what we have to do is just make sure that they all even. Okay, here you see even. You make now little petal, little seeds, and then you join them with next part. You join them together, you make it blind. The thread goes over, not from under. All right, I'm gonna make a very little seed like blind, and then I make 5 petals again. So that's how you're gonna continue to do it. You follow me and you're gonna see in no time you've done, because this is a pretty, small beginning. It will finish it up fast. This is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. And now it's a little one. And now you go to the next, and you connect them together, join them together, which it was blind we make a blind. I'm going to tell you again, when I say blind, it means the stitches it's not supposed to show. The seeds not supposed to show. To join them together. This is 3, and let me show you when I say blind so you will know. This is 4, and this is 5. So now I'll make little small seeds. And let the thread to go a little bit open to be comfortable. Now that I say to join them, blind, look what happens when I put them together, just to connect them, to secure them, because that's the way it will, when it's plie or tight, whatever, it will help. And when I jump to the other one, when I do it, it feels loose. So when I tighten them up, it gets firmer, like the way you see here, how firm is the thing. Otherwise, it's kind of loose, will play the things, the waves. Okay, you put this here. This is now we're going to make blind. We'll join them. We put this on top, and look, when I pull it, it gets together and it makes it firmer, the needle lace, the lace. So we make small one, and then we do 5 1. That's 2. This is 3. And this is 4. And this is 5. All right. And then make a little seeds. Then secure them again, make blind, join them together, and again 5 seeds. It might take a little bit time, but try to do it. Maybe I should do this, finish it up, so I can show you the second step. Let me do a couple more, and then I'll finish it, and then we'll continue to show you. So meantime, you take your time and do your best so it will become beautiful. Make sure all the petals, the flower petals, are even together. When you practice a lot, you're going to make it very easy, and it's going to be all even and nice. So let me do one more. My thread is almost finished anyway. Like I said, always when you finish it up, make sure that the thread comes wherever it joins the place. If you don't have too much thread, just cut it. Don't let that things to be in the middle. Okay, this is 2, 3. Anyway, well, this is the way you continue to do it. I'm going to finish it up because it's going to take time. And then I will show you how to do on top. Okay? All right. Okay, we're already to the last one. I went round, and I want to show you the last step left. Again, we're going to make blind, tighten them up, little baby seeds, and then 5 petals again. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Like I always make sure that, like, let me turn this needle, it's kind of twisting a lot. Okay, 2 more left. And my thread is finished again. All right, that's 4. And this is 5. All right, Now I'm gonna join them. This is the side. I'll just make it blind. All right, let me put new thread because this is short. So this is how it's gonna look. And now we're gonna continue to do on top. Here we go. I'm putting shorter thread so it will take less time for me to pull it. And all right, I always say to you, like, finish it at the end so it won't be in the middle. So now we go to the last little seeds hole. I will put this on top of the needle. This stays away. I will twist my thread. Let me hold this like this. And when you pull it, you see this part over here? It turns this way. Let's fix this seed up. And the thread goes through here. There you go. And we tighten it up. We join them together. All right. Now, you can bring it together to secure it or not, it's fine. As long as you know that it's pretty good tight it is. So, now we have to go on the pad in the pedals, and you make it very small little pedals. That's 1, 2, this is 3,